Welcome! The following video will demonstrate how to insert and replace the batteries for a 2 gig image sensor. Begin by sliding the front portion of the sensor up off the sensor's backplate. Then remove and dispose of the old batteries according to the battery manufacturer instructions and your local regulations. Replace the sensor batteries with 2 new AA 1.5 volt Energizer Ultimate Lithium batteries. Note, the operation of the sensor with alkaline batteries has not been verified for compliance with UL standards. Warning: failure to follow these warnings and instructions can lead to heat generation, rupture, leakage, explosion, fire, or other injury or damage. Do not insert the battery into the compartment in the wrong direction. Always replace the battery with the same or equivalent type. Never recharge or disassemble the battery. Never place the battery in fire or water. Always keep batteries away from small children. And if batteries are swallowed, promptly see a doctor. Reattach the sensor to the backplate using a downward sliding motion. The 2 gig image sensor batteries have now been replaced.